Yeah.
Hi, my name is Turo Griffith. I'm a year 2 student of mechanical technology, and today I'll be presenting my experience on working on a 1991 Corolla, where I had to do the suspension system.
I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me.
Due to the pandemic, I was faced to leave out a lot of stuff, but I will still bring you along the process, bits by bits of everything that I did so far. Hope you enjoy. Alright, so today currently we're looking at the old car at Green's Auto Body Supplies. At the time, at the moment now, we're looking for rods, linkage, the whole back.
I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure.
Basically a junk car. Trying to get the exchange number. Cross member. Suspension wise, extended ball joints, extended tie rods. In my presentation, I will be explaining everything that was done to the car.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah. Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like leaving brain drums for when I stray. Yeah, a lot of sacrifice is the price you pay. Like living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, heart feel desire me more like you. Yeah, not to put your fire with the look at my big account, I'm running up the digits. I ain't in all that doing.
Alright, so today basically what I'm gonna do is trying to get these springs to fit. As you can see, we have a major problem here. The spring is either too loose or one bushing or none in the strut. So the task for today, as you can see on the floor here, I already dismantled it once. Task at hand today is to get in the cup. So initially, as I said, tack weld right around this, but that wouldn't have worked for some clarity reasons, so I decided to go with the clamps. So in hopes, we're just waiting to see if when we put it on back on the car, it's going to stay. If it stays, then good job. If not, then back to the drawing board.
Okay, so since we covered the securing of the bottom aspect of the spring, sorry, you mentioned that the spring is shorter than the strut itself.
Yes.
So how would it affect the top one?
Well, since the spring, as I said, is made for other vehicles, it's shorter, but it's also stiffer than the normal Corolla springs. So to combat that problem that we have in here with this strut being longer than the spring, I am thinking about cutting the strut and retreading this in order for the cap to sit lower in the spring. Right? So this will reduce play, travel, whatever you want to call it, and overall it would just let the spring be a bit more stable.
Okay.
Right? So far this is the problem we're having. As you can see, this is supposed to be further down on top, but as you can see, I can't push it down with my body weight. But yeah, there's a lot of play, way too much. And as the car moves, as it flexes, as it up and down, this is going to pose as a problem, even a safety hazard. So today I'm going to go back, do a little more homework, and see if I can get this to fit.
you very much. Love you. Really do. I really love you. At the back, I love you too. Now, question sign is that, you know what? Can I go home now? And they said, can I go home now? And they said, no. Can I go home now? No. Can I go home now? Okay. If you want some more, you know what? You want some more, right? You want some more, right? You want some more? Anthony, you want some more? Let's get it. Come on, let's get it. What's that?
This is a job nation, me black and me proud. Watch how we just start it in people purpose. Billy vibes, job nation. Oh Lord, this is a must.